Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to connect your Google Pixel to Android Auto using a cable. So let's get started. First, take your USB cable and plug it into your Google Pixel phone. Then connect the other end to your car's USB port that supports Android Auto. Once connected, you might see a prompt on your phone asking for permission to connect. Just tap Allow to grant access if it appears. Then, follow the on-screen instructions both on your phone and on your car's display to complete the setup. Usually, your phone will show that it's connected, and you'll just need to tap Continue on your car screen to finish the process. After setup, your Google Pixel will automatically connect to Android Auto every time you plug it into your car. Once connected, you'll see all supported apps from your Pixel appear on your car display, such as Messages, Messenger, Viber, and even WhatsApp. And of course, one of the most useful apps is Google Maps, which lets you use navigation even if your car doesn't have its own built-in system. And that's it! You successfully connected your Google Pixel to Android Auto using a wired setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.